Aferin oddech. I'm Looperman, and this is the legendary lip roll tutorial. The beat. Okay, the lip roll is just basically done by moving your lips back and forward. You can do it in 3 ways: on the left side, in the middle, and on the right. I do it on the left, it sounds like. In the middle, it sounds like. The sound is done by basically moving your lips back and forward. In the beginning, the sound may sound like moving forward, backwards. It's just combining the sounds back and forward. It's kind of hard to explain and hard to do. I'm just telling you the basics, guys. You just need to practice it. It takes a lot of practice to master it. And in the end, it will hopefully sound like. Yeah, that's the sound. It's not that easy. In the beginning, it will sound like. Try to do it on the left or on the right side if you want it to sound like, because in the middle it sounds like. On the left and right side it sounds like. I don't master it on the right side, that's why it sounds like this. Yeah, just keep practicing. Thanks for the support. Subscribe if you like the tutorial. The next tutorial is gonna be about the vocalized lip roll. That's actually Bubbly's special sound. I don't know how I learned it, but I will explain you how to do it. I also wanted to make a shout out to 2 people. One of them is Vlad, the cameraman, and the other one is Sonkata. Those 2 guys helped me to develop the thing that I was working with Riot Games, that League of Legends thing, and I hopefully will be shown on the next Summoner Showcase, and I hope things work out, because I sent the audio track to one of the GMs that we're gonna do a collab with him. I'm gonna do beatbox and he's gonna rap, so hopefully things are gonna work out, and thanks again for the support. Peace.